Oh, just look at that. Knife. That is absolutely amazing. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a cracking recipe. It's gone viral on TikTok. It's big in Thailand and it's an alternative take actually to a bread pudding. It's superb. You know, bread pudding is English. We all love bread pudding. This is a different version. It's like a caramel bread pudding. Let's show you how to do it right now. So we just want to be going in that pan with about a tablespoon and a half of water, and we're going in there with 5 tablespoons of sugar, and let's melt it down and make our caramel. Right, it's just starting to thicken up a little bit now. Now we're watching it, it's going to turn into a caramel. We're just starting to go a nice golden colour now. We're going to watch it. We need to darken it up a little bit. We want a nice caramel dark top on our pudding. Okay, we got that going down there. Look, we got that lovely golden caramel forming on there. We'll just give it a stir around. Oh, that, you can smell that golden syrup. So that's our lovely golden syrup, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put it in a tin. So in we go, just get that in there, and then we're going to give it a swirl round in the bottom. Let it coat the bottom. Just swirl that round in the bottom of there. And now it is going to set up. It is going to set up, but don't worry about it. Just stir it round so we get it in all on the bottom of the tin. Right, the next stage of this with our bread pudding, and this is the easy bit. We're using the bread as like a bit of a thickener really, and all we're going to do is we're going to rip it up. Not cut it up, just rip it up and chuck it in your blender. It doesn't matter how it goes in, get it in. Now I've got 5 slices of bread here. On the viral video they used 4. But I'm going to try and make it a little bit thicker as a pudding. Now it's normal white sliced bread. Right, all we're going to do is tip and mix. So our eggs, in we go. Want a little pinch of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, something like that. We don't want it too salty. We're going to go in there with about a teaspoon of vanilla. Because we're actually making a custard. It's like making vanilla custard actually. In there with our milk. In there with our sweet goodness. Our sweet condensed milk. Simple this. Lid on, blend. Blend away. Now it's too noisy to talk, but we want to blend this for about a minute. I'm going to blend all that bread and eggs together, make it light and fluffy. That should be enough. And then what we've got to do, we've got to sieve it into our caramel. All we're going to do now is sieve our frothy goodness into that caramel. Now what you don't have to do, you don't have to get a spoon, and you do not have to try and scrape all that into there. That is perfect, and we're going to steam this. Okay, so I've got a steamer pan here, you know, and we've normally use a lid like this, but we want to see what's going on. So this normal pan lid fits this steamer. So boil up your water in the bottom of there, and then we are going to steam our pudding. Okay, it's all bubbling in there. It's all started to steam through the top. We need to get our pudding in. Oh, pudding straight in. Lid on, and we're going to steam that for 45 minutes. And all we need to do is turn the flame down just a little bit so we don't boil all the water away. It wants to steam slowly. So slowly, 45 minutes. Okay, so we need to be getting a look in here. So we need to turn off the flame, and when we take the lid off, you're going to see it's risen up, but it's going to drop. It's obviously going to drop with the cool air. So let's get the lid off. Oh, look at that. You can smell the caramel, the vanilla. That smells fantastic. It smells like a really nice custard. All we need to do now is get that out of there, and it has to cool for about 40 minutes. So we're just going to let that cool for 40 minutes, and we're going to go around it with a knife and turn it out. Oh, there's our pudding. It's still a bit warm underneath, but what we got to do is just run a knife round there, nice and gently, round the outside, and then we're going to pop it out, plate over. We're going to give it a whiz over. Oh, the reveal shot. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. Wow. That is super duper. Ah. Well happy. Bread, eggs, bit of milk. We made up that custard, caramel over the top. I mean, come on. That is restaurant quality. That is one viral recipe I recommend everybody trying. Right, let's cut into it and take a slice. Oh, just look at that. Knife. Oh, just look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely superb. Look at that. Oh, let's give it a taste test. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is absolutely superb. That just melts away. That is fantastic custard. Oh, lightly flavoured through there with the vanilla. Got that lovely caramel top on there. That is sensational. That is a fantastic pudding. That is a viral pudding you have to make. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, if you like what we're doing, like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.